artist. Is the land the
Yes.
actual land?
Yes.
This is how we transformed 5 geographic locations in the Middle East into chart-topping artists. Billboard magazine was launching in the region, and unlike the rest of the world, it wasn't really a household name. So we had to win the hearts of the fans and community, and we did it by celebrating what they are most proud of, the land.
When you look at a record through a microscope, it looks like the landscapes of the Middle East. So we thought, what if we could put the land on a vinyl record?
We mapped out topographic data of 5 key locations across the Arab world.
The technology behind is vital. We used a digital elevation model to create the 3D of the locations that will be used as reference for the vinyl record.
The main challenge was to put a giant landscape into a wave shape, so I had to handcraft it to recreate the valley inside of the record. And we can listen to the sounds of this land for the first time ever.
The sounds were mastered on vinyl and also made available digitally to producers as an open source, encouraging them to create their next big hit. And they did. Over 100 tracks were released by artists featuring the land, raising awareness for Billboard Arabia. The tracks quickly hit streaming platforms, social networks,
Big love to Billboard Arabia.
clubs, and the news.
sampling music ويقدروا يوصلوا ل
The results went off the charts, showing this land can make some noise. By putting the map of the region on a vinyl record, we put Billboard Arabia on the map of the region.